Hi all, welcome to John's Bottle Making. Today we've got the Lancaster Bomber. I hope you're ready for this. 61 and 62, the last for this month. It's the undercarriage parts again. There we go. That's what we've got up to now. There we go. Oh, fiddly widdly. But yeah, we'll be fitting this onto the frame, and I think that should be it complete then. And we've also got the motor for it as well. Brilliant stuff. More fiddly pins. I think there's 2 fiddly pins. But anyway, let's have a look at issue 61. Okay, up stage 61, we have the port undercarriage. The undercarriage assembly is attached to the port undercarriage wheel bay. There's our pins. Ooh, and a few screws this time. Not so bad. There we go. That shouldn't be too bad. We'll use our third hand again. There we go. Yeah. Always comes in handy. I should remember that. Then there we go, screw it all together, and that is what we're left with. Excellent stuff. These are excellent reads this week. This month I should say, LL843 Pod. Yeah, good explanations why it's called Pod. There it is. That's tragic. Both gunners were killed on that flight. And then we have Albert Kesselring, German General. Yeah. And then your next set of parts: port undercarriage frames, port undercarriage motor, cog and screws. So that should complete it. We just need to fix it to the wing, but we haven't got the wing yet. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. Okay, those are the parts. They had me fooled for a minute. I couldn't find these 2 pieces, 61D, because of a piece of paper. I've been looking all over for them. I don't know what they're like. Well, anyway, there we go. We have the port undercarriage bay, the shock absorber, 2 hydraulic units, and 2 shock absorber joints, and 2 hinge pins. There they are. Ooh. And CM and CP screws. Now, we don't need these. What we do need to do is to pop, oops, one of them onto there, like so, and get a pin through the middle. Okay, let's get a pin. I've zoomed in a bit because these parts are only small. Get this pin through there. Oops, that's gone far too easy. Get that. I think that one needs gluing that. It also says in the magazine to make sure. What am I doing? Get this together first. Make sure that the pins are all the way through, just in case of any obstruction later on in the build. Yeah, that one's gone down. No problem. They'll definitely need gluing. There we go, that's how they should be. That one, and where is it? That one like that. That was far too easy. Okay, now we need 61B, because basically these 2 will go into there like that, and we capture them with CP screws. It's keyhole shaped, so it will only go one way, just like that. And the first CM screw. Thought that was too big then for a second. And get this back in place. There we go. Get that like that. And then screw it in. That's better. Brilliant. Alright, let's get this one into place. That one goes there like so. And another CM screw. There we go. That was a tight fit, that one. Well, there they are. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. Okay, up now we need the bay, and we need to pop this into here. Now that will go down. It should go into here. Get down there. I've got it the right way, haven't I? Have I not? That way. Gosh, this is a tight fit, this one. Oh, there we go. See, I told you these pins were loose. Look at that, it's just fallen out. Right, I'll have to fix that and get that glued into place. Okay, look, I have now put the pin back in and I've glued it. I don't know. No luck this month with pins. There we go, we'll pop that into there just like that. There are 2 pegs there. There we go, that's it lined up. You see that alright? Yeah, you see two pegs. Okay, flip that over and we need the CP screws. One in here. There we go, brilliant. By heck. Just give that glue a little bit longer. Okay, that should be long enough. Let's get this undercarriage in place. Get that tilted a little bit like that. Right. We need to pop them into there. Come on, not be all good. Get them lined up like that. There we go, excellent. And then get these 2 into these screw sockets just here. They are keyhole shaped, just like before. There we go. So there we go. Yeah, you get in the way, why don't you? There we go. We just need 2 screws now. CM screws. We saw that alright. Get the first one into here. That'll hold that for a second whilst we get this one in place. I must admit, these screws are finding it hard to get through. I think I'll get a bigger screwdriver, won't be sick. Okay, we've got the big beast out. Don't want to overturn it, obviously. What we do need to make sure these screws are home. There we go, that should be enough. Brilliant, there we go. That is everything, that will go there eventually. The next issue. Brilliant stuff. Yeah, that's looking pretty cool that now. Yep, awkward pins. There we go. Unbelievable, but there we go. That's stage 61 completed. Okay, now stage 62. We have the undercarriage motor and no pins. So we have the port undercarriage frame, 62A and 62B. Port undercarriage motor with connection marks H on the plug there. We have the cog, 62D, DP and FP screws. There we go, so we can pop all this into place, put that cog on, 62A, capture all that, and there we go. Oh, there we go, yeah, pop the motor in place. Quite a lot of steps really, and not a great lot to do. But there we go, completed work, and that's what we're left with. Excellent stuff. And in the magazine, Lancaster NX665, I've not read this one, I thought I'd read them all. I haven't read this one. And bombing Germany's canal network. And your next set of parts: port undercarriage, firewall, motor housing, frame and motor plus screws. There we go, so we just need the wing to put it on, don't we? Excellent. Anyway, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. Nope. There we go. Okay, those are the parts. Excellent. So the first thing we'll need, pop that to one side, is the cog. That will fit on to there, like so. There we go. That's in place. Just push it right on, and then that will go here, like that. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it goes there, like that. Oops, so there's a, get that there. You can see where that cog is. I think that's right. Yeah, there's a little groove there for there. There we go, so it sits in like that. Just like previous. And then we can capture that I can if I have it the right way around. Have it that way like that. There we go, because the motor fits on top, of course, silly Billy. There we go, just like that. We need FP screws for this to keep it together. The FP screws, pop that just there like that for now. All followed apart, of course. We screw that from underneath, from here. So we get the first screw in there. Brilliant, there we go. That's that in place. We need the motor, and the motor will reside there. Make sure the teeth meet up with the cog, which they seem to do anyway. That's brilliant there. See that alright? Excellent. Right, let's put all this together. That goes like that. Should do. Should all line up. Oh, it's going to be a toughie, this one, isn't it? You can hear it clicking. We need the DP screws for this. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just make sure this all meets up. There we go. Pushing in as far as you can. There we go. Close the gap. And now we can get the screws into place. We have 4 DP screws. Excellent, there we go. That's the 4 screws in place. Brilliant. There we go, so that's issue 62 completed, as well as, let's see how that looks. That should straighten up there. Yeah. Hopefully when we get the doors and the new hinges, all this will operate much better than the original hinges. I have noticed a little gap here, so I'll try and close this with the pliers. There we go. Brilliant. Yeah, the screws did the job, but they didn't close the gap fully. But anyway, there we go. Excellent. That's stage 62 complete. Okay, now I found the test board. I plugged it into M for motor. Switch it on. Brilliant. So we know that's working fantastic. Excellent stuff. So we know everything's aligned fully. That is brilliant. Excellent stuff. So there we go. So that's stages 61 and 62 complete. Well, there we go, guys. That is our port undercarriage wheel bay. There we go. Looking excellent. Those pins. Unbelievable, eh? What trouble I had in the last couple of issues, and one falls out on this one. Went in far too easy, did they not? Yeah. Well, there, and we know it's working as well, so that's brilliant. So I can store that until we get the wing for it, and then we can pop it all into place. Excellent stuff. So next month we do know that we're going to get the motor for the propeller, so we'll have the engine on board then next month. Yeah, that'll look cool. Excellent. Then we just need the nacelles. I think the nacelles do come next month as well. So yeah, that'll be ready to pop onto the wing. Yeah, I can't wait to. I know we've got one more engine to go, haven't we? Yeah, and we've done enough engines. Well, we've not. We need 4 altogether, but yeah. Anyway, it's coming along, is it not? I just wish it were a bit further along and we had some more meaty parts. I can't wait to get onto the fuselage, you know, because seeing S for sugar up there, I mean, the fuselage went on for ages and ages to do that, to occupy it with all the detail that's inside. You know, there's still a lot more to do with this build as well for the fuselage. So yeah, exciting parts coming soon, I hope. Anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 4 stages. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.